Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be decorating this giant pumpkin, and this is for my work. So I'm doing this to make my patients happy. They're having a little Halloween pumpkin contest. To make this pumpkin something cool, I was thinking to make it into a unicorn, and so that's why I already went ahead and painted it white. Before we jump into this, I'm gonna ask you to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So you saw I already painted it. I used this Krylon spray paint. I gave it 2 coats and I still wasn't happy. Then I went over it with this Americana chalk paint from Michael's. I'm going to be using this yellow fabric to make the horn because I've had this laying around and it's really just collecting dust. I'm not trying to spend any money, I'm just trying to make this with things I've had laying around. So I've cut out my paper template for the horn. It's like a triangle, but at the top it's 1 inch across, and I'm going to trace that now on my fabric. It's folded in half, and then just at the top to get that point, I'm gonna just fold it down again and stitch straight along. Now that it's all stitched up, we're gonna flip it right side out. I stuffed it up to this point here. I wrapped the batting around my stem, I glued it in place, and now I'm gonna add my horn and glue it on down. And then we're gonna do the next part. So now we're gonna take this gold wire I already had, and we're gonna now wrap our wire and try and make that rippled effect that unicorn horns have. And I'd have to say it's coming together. The horn is coming together. I have never made one of these before. Just enough wire. That's it. I've run out of wire. Using my pliers, I'm just gonna try and adjust this top here. So the horn is all done, and now we're gonna work on the ears. For each ear, you're gonna need 2 pieces of cardboard, and I am going to wrap a piece of white fabric around it and glue it. I'm gonna leave some room at the bottom because we're gonna bend that to attach it to the pumpkin later on. You don't want to attach the fabric below that line. Glued my 2 ears together, but I don't like how they look, so I'm gonna add some extra batting over it and trim that, and I'm gonna put the batting on both sides. I just don't like how the hot glue shows through. So my ears are both wrapped in the batting, and now I am going to apply this yellow part. But before I do that, I'm gonna make this fabric a little bit hard by giving it a coat of crazy glue. Just gonna add it to the whole piece. It's also good to keep those edges from fraying. With some hot glue, I'm going to apply the yellow part of my ear to the white. Now we're gonna bend those edges of the cardboard and glue our ears on. And I'm gonna try and place the feathers to cover up whatever messy stuff here and by the cardboard. I had these random feathers left over from my feather earrings. I'll link that video if you guys want to check that out. Feather bohemian earrings. They came out real cute. So I cut out the templates, and now I'm just going to hold them in place and start drawing them on. The eyelashes are on the bottom because she's going to have her eyes closed. This is gonna take a little bit, so I'm gonna do it off camera and then we'll be back. Eyes are traced out, and I'm gonna use purple, and I have my 2 paint pens here. hope you guys enjoyed watching this unicorn pumpkin tutorial. I had fun creating this and hopefully I win the contest. I don't know, we'll see what happens. Please guys, give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.